I'm going to give a speech on Nehru in Sanskrit. Jawaharlal Nehru Mahadayah Kaha Asit. Panditah Jawaharlal Nehru Mahadayasya Janma Trimshat Adhikaikashatat Varshat Purvam Abhavat. Sah Bharat Deshasya Prathamah Pradhanamantri Asit. Sah Upasaptadasha Varsha Paryantam Pradhanamantri Asit. Adya Bahavaha Janaha Tasya Namana Athva Chitrena Abhijanati Kechana Kathaha Abhi Shrutavantaha Udharanena Janaha Praya Jananti Jawaharlal Mahadayah Prathama Pradhanamantri Asit Saha Indira Gandhi Mahadaya Yaha Pita Asit Tasya Janmadine Vayam Bala Divas Manyamahe Tasya Janmadinam November iti मासे चतुर्दशे दिने भवति इत्यादि अद्य दिनेषु केचन जनाः नेहरू महोदयं जम्मू कश्मीर राज्यस्य च भारतदेशस्य अद्य दिनानाम् अन्य समस्या विषये अपि आरोपयन्ति परन्तु प्राय जनाः तं न जानन्ति तस्य जीवनाध्ययनं न कुर्वन्ति जवाहरलाल महोदयः भारतदेशस्य महान् पुरुषः आसीत् सः 20 शतकस्य विश्वस्य एकः सर्वोच्चनीतिज्ञः आसीत् सः कुशलबुद्धिः विवेकशीलः कविहृदयः च आसीत् सः कारागृहे भारतस्य अन्तःक्षणं डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया इति महत् पुस्तकम् अलिखत् सः स्वस्य जीवनकाले 9 वर्षपर्यन्तं भारतदेशस्य स्वतन्त्रतायै कारागृहे व्यतीतवान् सः भारतस्य पूर्णस्वराज्यस्य आह्वानम् अकरोत् नेहरू महोदयस्य प्रशंसकाः महात्मा गांधी महोदयः शहीद भगत सिंह महोदयः सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल महोदयः अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी महोदयः सिंगापुर देशस्य श्री ली कुआन यू महोदयः इत्यादि अनेके प्रसिद्धाः पुरुषाः सन्ति यदा भारतदेशं दीर्घात् आङ्ग्लशासनात् स्वतन्त्रतः अभवत् यदा नेहरू महोदयः प्रधानमन्त्री अभवत् तदा भारतस्य दशा बहु दरिद्रा आसीत् तस्मिन् समये देशस्य विभाजनम् अपि अभवत् नेहरू महोदयः देशे प्रजातन्त्रं धर्मनिरपेक्षता च स्थापितवान् सः जमीदारी जागीरदारी इति कुपद्धत्याः समाप्तं कृत्वा कृषिकल्याणम् अकरोत् सः भिलाई बोकारो स्टील प्लांट इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन भारत वैद्युतक शास्त्र इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स भारतीय अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान संगठन इसरो इत्यादि अनेकान् उद्योगान् स्थापितवान् सः भाक्रानंगल बांध निर्माणं सहाय्यम् अकरोत् सः भारतं प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थानन्तः IITs भारतः प्रबन्धन संस्थानन्तः IIMs एम्स इत्यादि संस्थानन्तः महाविद्यालयाः च स्थापितवान् सः विज्ञानस्य साहित्यस्य कलाक्षेत्रस्य च प्रोत्साहनम् अकरोत् नेहरू महोदयः गोवा दमन दीव च क्षेत्राणि पुर्तगाली अधिकारात् स्वतन्त्रम् अकरोत् देशे राज्यान् स्थापितवान् सः सौम्यः प्रभावशाली करुणाशीलः परन्तु निर्भयः न्यायप्रियः च आसीत् अन्तर्राष्ट्रीयस्तरे अपि सः बहु सम्मानितः आसीत् यदा पंडितः नेहरू महोदयस्य निधनम् अभवत् तदा अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी महोदयः तं भारतमातुः इष्टतमः पुत्रः मानवतायाः सेवकः शान्तेः संरक्षकः सामान्यपुरुषः नेत्रयोः प्रकाशः एव असम्भव संयुक्तकर्ता इति अवर्णयत् महात्मा गांधी महोदयः अवदत् मम पश्चात् जवाहरलाल नेहरू मम भाषा वदिष्यति पंडितः जवाहरलाल नेहरू महोदयः न केवलं समग्र भारतीय नाम अपि तु समग्र विश्वस्य जनानां गौरवम् अस्ति I try to translate the same in English for you. Who was Jawaharlal Nehru? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born 130 years ago. He was the first Prime Minister of India and he was the Prime Minister for almost 17 years. And today a lot of people might have heard of him, might have seen his picture, recognized him by his face, and may have heard a few facts about him such that he was the first Prime Minister of India, that he was the father of Indira Gandhi, and that we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day, and that he was born on the 14th of November, and so on. And some people today also blame him for the current problems of India, including that the Jammu and Kashmir issue is being faced by India because of Nehru, and some other claims that we get to hear about him. But most people, a lot of people do not really know him really well or gone deep into what sort of person he was or know about his life story in great depth. Jawaharlal Nehru was one of the greatest Indians who ever lived, and he is highly regarded as one of the greatest statesmen of the 20th century all over the world. He was very intelligent. He was a critical thinker, and he was a poet at heart. And when he was in jail, he wrote The Discovery of India, which is a great book. And he spent almost 9 years of his life over a staggered term fighting for India's independence from British rule. And in 1929, he called for Purna Swaraj, or complete independence from British rule, and which was the first cry of its kind at that point in time. And the admirers and people who have praised Nehru have included stalwarts and great leaders, very famous leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Shahid Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and Singapore's Lee Kuan Yew. And the time when India became independent from British rule in 1947, after a very long period of rule under the British, at that time India's condition was really poor, and we were in a very bad state at that point in time, and the country had also just been partitioned. So when we think of analyzing Nehru, we have to think of what sort of a state our country was in at that point in time. So what Nehru did was that he established democracy in the country, established secularism, he abolished zamindari and jagirdari, and then he brought about land reforms. He established the Bhilai Bokaro Power Plant, Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Electronics, the ISRO, and other industries. And he also he established the IITs, the IIMs, AIMS, and other great universities. And he brought about the scientific temper in the country, and he encouraged the arts, the literature, and he also freed Goa, Daman, and Diu from the Portuguese rule. And he also established many states in the country at that point in time. And he was a very charming person, very influential. He was compassionate, but he was unafraid, and he was a fair-minded person. And at the international stage, he established the non-aligned movement, and he was very highly regarded by world leaders across the world. And when Pandit Nehru died in 1964, at that point in time, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who was a parliamentarian, and he spoke in parliament saying that Mother India has lost one of its favorite prince, and that humanity has lost its biggest devotee, and that peace has lost its protector, and that the common person has lost the light of one's eyes. And he compared Nehru to Ram, and the way Maharishi Valmiki writes about Ram, that Ram had the quality of being able to bring about the impossible together. And said similarly, Nehru had the quality of bringing about the impossible things in one place. And Mahatma Gandhi said of him that after me, Jawaharlal Nehru is going to speak my language. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is not just a pride of all Indians, but he is the pride of the entire world. Thank you.